It's me, Umair Ramay. So today I'm going to do the unboxing and the test of Staedtler colors. These are no color, these are pen color for sketching for your art. So if you don't know, my YouTube channel Zaptra is an indie game studio which currently I'm the owner and then I founded by myself. I'm developing a Wii U exclusive game called Jungle Fort. So nowadays I'm doing a lot of sketching. You can see my sketchbook, and then these colors cost me like 10 US dollar. I just want to do the test and I'll let you know so how is the quality of it. So on the top it's written Triplus Fineliner. So these are the fine liners. So now they said you need to pull from here. So now let's pull it. I really don't want any kind of mark on it. Yeah, now it's look awesome. So let's take out. Yeah, so why not? Let's do the sketching. So these are the colors. So it has 12 colors. So now let us see which kind of color it have. It have the common 12 triple liner colors. So you can clearly see green, brown, yellow, purple, orange, red. Yeah, I mean it have the nearly all of the common color which you need for basic sketching. So now let us do some like basic sketching. I wanna start with the common black. For example, if I wanna draw like a face, maybe this one. Maybe for example like I will be saying that tip is not so great. I don't know why, because I can't make it all. This is just a dummy sketch. Let's make it refined with a green color and let's see. Mm-hmm. Now let's jump to the red one. It's very dark. I mean, I will be saying use pencil much better. If you really want to do like layer sketching. So now I wanna make the character. The bottom layers are very dark, so it's really hard to see. It's very hard to see for fine liner. Anyways. fight Batman. So will I be recommending? I won't be recommending for sketching. I'm a little bit disappointed with it. I do not have any control over that. Tip, these are fine liner only you should be using for fine lining it. For sketching, I will be referring, I may use this kind of like T pen or marker name pen, which is much better for sketching. I mean, for example, I can do the same sketch, I mean, much better, or use the fine tip of it. Now even the fine tip is not good. I'll be doing more videos, and nowadays I'm just designing all of the graphic using a Wacom tablet. I mean, it's a old school, but sometimes I really want to sketch, I mean, an idea for my game, because this is an indie studio, Zeptra. I'm the owner of Zeptra, so I will do whatever I like. I'm designing this game for myself, not for you people. If I'm designing a game for myself, so the end result will be very good, the game you're looking for. Make sure to click the subscribe button, because this game is my dream. Without this game I'm nothing. I'm doing this game to survive. I'm doing this game to stay alive. If this game do not become a reality, I will be dead. Why? Because without this game I'm nothing. This is my imagination I'm putting in a game, because Zeptra is the best indie game studio.